love you're over, that I know you can't afford. Bite that
Hey guys, I'm doing a voiceover and you can't see anything right now, but that's because my audio is off. So, yeah, we are just going to vlog today, and so yeah, bye.